Welcome back to my channel, guys. To my returning supporters, appreciate you all. And if it's the first time you came across my channel, please consider subscribing and join the family. As you can see from the title, today's video I'm making a Jamaican stuffed roast fish. Come along with me to the kitchen. Here are my starting ingredients: onion, scallion, thyme, okra, add pepper, carrot, and I'm going to wash all these ingredients and diced according to my likings. Time to season, guys. Here I'm using some freshly blended season. I'm also going to use some garlic and onion liquid, some complete seasoned garlic, and I'll put a full list of all the ingredients I use in the description box below. Moving along, now I'm going to saute my veggies for around 2 to 3 minutes. Then I add my callaloo and allow it to steam for another 3 minutes. Then we turn the stove out and we move on to the next step. moving along, guys. Now I'm going to stuff my fish with my callaloo. First, we place it on our foil paper and we put as much stuffing as possible, even in the head. Then we fold and we allow these to roast or bake. You can use this on your grill outside too. I'm doing this in my oven and I'm going to leave this for 35 to 45 minutes. So delicious, and as you can see, it's completely cooked. Tastes good, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, share, comment. And to my new subscribers, appreciate you all. And my old subscribers, much love. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.